In today's video, I'll be showing you on how to transfer your Instagram account from one phone to another. First, make sure your iPhone is connected to the Wi-Fi. Then head on over to Instagram. Now tap on your profile icon. In the top right hand corner, click the three lines. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click log out. Now from here, you'll want to exit out of this account and switch to a device that you would now like to log into. You should see this page. Now just type in your username and password and hit login. Now you should be logged in. I hope this video helped. If you made it to the end of the video, I'll see you next time. Boy.